What we actually find is that pretty much 99, if not 100% of people dealing with autoimmune or the issues that I just outlined have low magnesium inside their cells. Magnesium is really crucial for those dealing with autoimmune issues to have a lot of what? Pain. Okay, if you have a lot of pain, whether it's fibromyalgia or even especially muscular pain, fibromyalgia, polymyalgia rheumatica, or your muscles just plain pain hurt, you're dealing with chronic pain. It's good for nerve pain, any sort of neuropathies. So if you have sciatica, you have neuropathy, hands, feet. If you have tinnitus, ringing in the ear, that's a nerve issue. If you're dealing with brain issues with depression and anxiety, that's frequently a sign of low magnesium in the cells of the brain, which makes it a really good point, which is most magnesium products on the market is made with the form of magnesium citrate that doesn't absorb. It simply doesn't absorb. It doesn't cross the gut blood barrier to get to your muscles or to your brain. It's great for constipation, but it's not good for what we're talking about. So you really need a different form of magnesium that's high quality, highly absorbable, clean, minimal number of ingredients for those with autoimmunity. That's what Pro-Magx is. When you look at the ingredients of Pro-Magx, we kept it clean, which is just magnesium bis-glycinate. This particular form of magnesium I have found to be extremely useful for those conditions that I talk about, because I can tell you right now, you just can't go to your blood and check your magnesium and call it good because our blood tests are completely inaccurate. And what we actually find is that pretty much 99, if not 100% of people dealing with autoimmune or the issues that I just outlined have low magnesium inside their cells. How do we get it into your cells? Don't just go buy any magnesium and don't just go buy a mag-glycinate or bis-glycinate. This particular formulation is what I've recommended and used for years. And I know it works for these conditions because it is absorbed. And not only is it absorbed, it is incorporated into the cells and delivers results. So what kind of dosing are we talking about? I would say that if you're dealing with, let's say, insomnia and mood stuff at night, take 2 at night. If you're dealing with more of a pain disorder that's throughout the day, I would recommend 2 twice a day. So that would be perfect amount, 2 twice a day for people dealing with pain or neuropathies. And that's really simple. And that's really it. The other thing is because it is absorbed into your bloodstream, it doesn't cause gut upset. There's no diarrhea. There's no issues with a stomach upset or anything. It's not the kind of magnesium that you use for constipation. So you can tolerate the adequate doses that are needed to deal with either mood issues or to deal with pain and neuropathy issues.